Hello friends, welcome to krishnastechinfo. In the last video we saw about how to add host group and service groups on Nagios. Regarding the host group and service group, I got a comment from Vidyadhar. So we'll be having multiple servers in our environment. So if we have around 50 to 100 servers in our environment, we can't just add this host continuously here. We need some groups to manage those servers. If we have 50 to 100 servers, if any issues occur in our environment, we can't just search for these hosts in this console. If we use the host group, it will be easy to manage these hosts here. So in the last video we saw how to add those host groups and service groups. So if you have the web servers, DB servers, app servers, prod servers or UAT servers in your environment, you can just group those servers. If you are going to have 3 web servers, you can add those web servers to this web servers host group. If you have 2 DB servers, you can add these 2 DB servers in this DB server host group. In this way you can group this host based on your requirement. The same thing we'll be doing in the service group too. So in the service groups we'll be having mail servers, web services, file services. So based on these services we can group those services. If we have POP3, IMAP, SMTP service used in your environment, you can just group those into mail services. So this is the benefit of using this host group and service group in our environment. The next comment I received from Ibrahim, he just asked if any issue occurs in an environment, do you have any templates to recover those configurations? So I'll look into the template option in Nagios and I will update you later. So if you have configured the Nagios configuration in your environment, it is safe to take a backup of the configuration file somewhere else in your backup system. It will be useful in recovering when the issue occurs. So I'll check for the template option in Nagios and will update you in the next video. So in this video we can see about how to add the custom NRPE plugins in Nagios. So by default we don't have the memory usage plugins in the Nagios. So we can use this check memory plugin to monitor the memory usage in the server. You can download this checkmemory.pl script. For adding this plugin you need to go to the user lib64 Nagios plugins path, and using the wget command we can download this plugin. I'll provide the link in the description. So now this check memory.pl is downloaded. We need to add the execute permission for this to work. So add this execute permission here. Now you can see it is added. So we need to configure this in nrp.cfg file. So go to the etc nagios nrp.cfg and go to the last, and in the commands you can add this check memory now. So copy this, you can modify it now. So you can just give the critical value here. So if it is over 90% it should be critical and warning should be 80%. And I'm going to use the check memory.pl file here. So the command will be check memory. So after adding this command in the nrp.cfg you can save this file. Now reload this nrp service systemctl reload NRPE. So now we need to add this memory in the Nagios server. Go to the Nagios server and in the configuration, the host configuration, we need to add this service now. We can just copy one service and define the service now for memory. Now the service description, you can add memory usage, and in the NRPE command you need to add check memory. Now save this file and reload Nagios. Now it is reloaded. Now in the console we can just check the services. So in the free per server you can check the service. So now we can see the memory usage is now added. It is just checking now. It is pending state. So once it is refreshed, you can see the memory usage. Now we can see it is showing the memory usage now. So you can see the 10.2% free memory is available. So in this way you can add the custom scripts to your NRPE plugins and add your custom services to Nagios. You can see more about the Nagios in the coming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.